As you get more comfortable with identifying baseline and alarm voices, you might want to push yourself a little bit further and make your key a little bit more complicated. So we talked about 3 different types of voices. Instead of just doing baseline and just doing alarms, you could break them up into something more specific. You could look for songs, calls, and alarms. So you can record song, call, and alarm. People have different symbols that they like to use, but I've found that these ones are pretty straightforward. This is how people taught me, and this is what I like to use. So for a song, you could do a symbol, like a little music note. For a call, you can use this little arrow thing, and it's kind of nice because it looks like an open beak, like it's talking to someone. And for an alarm, maybe an exclamation point. So here I kept the same colors. I kept blue for both of the baseline voices, and then I used red for the alarm voice. You don't have to do that. Maybe it makes more sense to you to use different colors. This is just how I'm doing it here as an example. So to demonstrate that, maybe you're hearing some baseline voices here, and you know that it's a song. Maybe there's 2 singing over here. And then maybe you hear a call over here, and you can listen for a response. Tiny little response over here. I did these in kind of weird directions. It'd be kind of cool if you aimed them towards each other, so that you knew that one of them was calling and one of them was responding. These are the 2 birds talking to each other. But yeah, and just for example's sake, maybe you hear a big alarm here that you can record. So this is basically the same thing. We're recording baseline and alarm voices, but we're getting a little bit more specific. As you get really comfortable, you can learn other types of voices and start recording those too. But this is a really good next step after you're comfortable with baseline and alarms.